Welcome back. In previous videos, we have seen how can we write lambda expressions. Also, we have seen what is functional interface, and we have seen that functional interfaces are used to invoke the lambda expressions. Now we will create one example and we will try to understand these things. So let me open my Eclipse IDE, and this is a simple Maven project, and I will create one class here. So I will give it a name as test1. I will add the public method. So the idea is that first I will not use the lambda expressions, and in the next example we will use the lambda expressions, and we will compare both and we will see how lambda expressions will make our things easy. So let me create one interface here. Let's say printable, and it will have one abstract method print. Okay, so this is an interface and it is on one abstract method print. Now I need one class which should be implementing that printable method so that I can override this print method in it. So I will create one class. So let's say class print class, and it implements printable. Okay, now this says like implement the all unimplemented methods from the printable. So I will just click here, add unimplemented methods, and we need to override this particular method. So I will simply write one sysout statement here, not any complex logic. That's it. Okay, now this is an interface where we have one abstract method. So since it has only one abstract method, it is a functional interface, and we have one class print class which is implementing the printable, that interface, and we have overwritten the logic here, the print method. So if, and this is our test class. So if we want to use this print method, we need to create a object of the print class. So how can we create? Like I can take an interface. I can take an interface also. So like let me see, printable print. Okay, printable, and we can see like p and I will create an object of the print class. Okay, so I have created an object of the print class, and now I can invoke the print method. That's it. Okay, so and I will run this and we can print that logic. So I will, yeah, you can see I have pressed the control plus F11. It is a shortcut to run a class, and you can see the print method logic is printed. So this example is without using the lambda expression. We can see that I have created an interface. I have created one class which is implementing that particular interface, and we have written a business logic for that particular method here by overriding it. And to use this method, or like we need to create one test class, and in the main method of that particular test class, we have created an object of the print class, and by using that particular object we can invoke the print method, and this is how we can like print the print method logic, which is our like statement here. So now this is without using lambda expressions. Now let me create one with lambda expressions and we will compare both them. So I will create another class test. Okay, again I will create interface. We'll have one abstract method, public void print. Okay, so okay, it is already defined, so I will create one. I will change the name. This is printable2 and it has an abstract method print, but you can see that this is a functional interface since it has only one abstract method. So in the previous videos we have seen that how can we write lambda expressions. So let me write one lambda expressions for that, and we can come to the main method of the test2 class and I will write printable 2 here, p2, and what will be the lambda expressions, like it will have the print method is not accepting any parameter, so empty parenthesis, an arrow which is an important sign for the lambda expressions, and what is the statement, print method logic from like printable 2. Okay, now this is the lambda expressions, and we can simply invoke the print method using p2 dot print, and when I run it, let me run it as a Java application, and you can see the print method logic from printable2 is printed. So in test1 you can see that we have to create one class which is implementing printable, and then we have to override the print method and we have to write the logic here. But by using lambda expressions we can simply write a lambda expression for that particular interface. The condition is that particular interface should be a functional interface, and by using the p2 we can like invoke the print method and we can print the print method logic from printable2. Now business logic can be anything, just this is like to understand, I have kept it simple. Now like you can see that this is an interface and it is a functional interface, and this is a lambda expression. Now you will understand the second statement from a slide that I have shared before, that functional interface is a type of a lambda expression. You can understand it, right? So when we go to the Eclipse, you can see this is the functional interface and this is the lambda expression, and we can see that this functional interface is a type of a lambda expression. Hope you understood it. And yeah, so we have seen this simple example where like we have not used the lambda expressions, and we have seen how can we like invoke the print method of the printable, and we will see it with lambda expressions, and we can see basically that we have a more readable and maintainable code is using the lambda expressions and more concise code. Thank you.